Happy Monday, 6th of May 2024, from this wonderful central beach in Stockholm, Hornsbergs Strand. located on the island of Kungsholmen, one of the most central islands in Stockholm. Stockholm it is built on 11 different islands in the central area, and Kungsholmen is, according to me, the best one from the central islands. It is total of 9 kilometers if you're about to walk around the whole island, and it passes by beautiful landscapes, and you have always, obviously, lake view of Lake Mälaren, this one. So this location over here, it's one of my most visited beaches, as I was coming here quite often during my first 6 years in Stockholm, when I was living mostly in Kungsholmen, but also in Tensta on the Blue Line, as this beach was on the way back home when I was taking the metro. Now I live on the south part of Stockholm, and here I don't come that usually, but yeah, it is the first time for me here this year. Last year I made some swims here several times, as it has nice swimming side here that actually are missing right now. So there are like smaller balls over here that are noting the swimming area, but I'm assuming they have taken them out during the winter due to risk of frost and ice. That's right here. So the beach is beautiful. I mean, there are several jetties, 3 to be exact, like this one that you can sit on and enjoy in summer, and also there is green area to sit on and nice beach promenade, walk to, run, walk, whatever. The only downside is that it's close to the one of the main motorways in Sweden and in Stockholm, obviously. That's E4, if I'm not completely mistaken now, because I don't drive a car, I don't have a license, but I think that's E4. And there are always vehicles there all the time during all day, so that is the only downside. Otherwise it looks amazing. So yeah, 6th of May, it is lunchtime. I'm here for a quick swim, and it's gonna be a quick one because it's only 4 degrees Celsius in the lake of Mälaren and 11 degrees Celsius in the air. So a bit warmer in the air than yesterday, but this lake is quite colder right now because it's a larger one compared to the ones I visited so far. And yeah, I do remember that Mälaren was 0 degrees like 2 or 3 weeks ago when I was taking a swim at Lilla Essingen, so now it got warmed up significantly by 4 degrees only. So still very cold, but that won't stop me to take a swim here. And I won't jump because it's too cold. I think it will be a big shock for the body. So I intend to actually go down right here. And there are many people walking with lots of clothes on for the season. It's only maybe like this. So yeah, let's go through one of these steps into the lake. And that on the other side is Pampas Marina and Västra Skogen, which belongs to Solna municipality, that you can see those buildings. And I'm glad that there is at least light sun showing up right now. That's gonna be perfect for my beach adventure. And now there is even more sun. Okay, let's see, let's check out. All right, we are going down in 3, 2, 1. Amazing. So beautiful and refreshing. A bit chilly though, 4 degrees only, but it's nice. It's nice at least that the sun is up. And yeah, it's amazing. Cool, then that's a wrap from Hornsbergs Strand from this beautiful Monday, 6th of May. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures
with Greece.